Hi guys, it's Bill, and today I just wanted a little snack to eat. It's not quite lunchtime and I gotta go do some shopping, but I want to eat something first. So I was thinking back about what you do with some leftovers. So I had some leftover tuna fish salad that I made, and I'm just going to put together a little brunch maybe. So first I've got some nice fresh bread from the bakery. This is marble. Didn't get real marbled, but it's good anyways. While it's toasting, I've got my my oven on to melt the cheese. So the whole thing is I remember that back in the day when I was eating a lot of BLTs, my mom used to toast the bread, not grill it. And I thought, well, you could do the same thing with just about anything. And I've actually done this with some of the other recipes I have. It's pretty simple. I might not even really need the oven depending on how it comes out. But I just want to get the bread a little toasted, and we're going to construct it and just see how much fun it is. Like I said, you could do this with chicken salad. I did it in one of my shows with different meats, like to make like an Italian. You could do it with corned beef, pastrami, just about anything you want. If you have some ideas, let me know. I'm sure there's plenty of things. I don't need a whole lot of egg salad, but you could do that too. So I'll link this to my tuna fish recipe, because I think what makes it really good is I always put pickles in it, red onion, lots of lemon juice instead of a lot of mayonnaise, and gotta use good tuna fish. You know, that's all there is to it. And I put a dash of curry, because I think curry just gives it great flavor. Just enough so you're like, there's something else in there, but I don't know what it is. Not enough to make it all look all yellow and, you know, from the turmeric. By the way, did you know that to color pickles they put turmeric in the juice? Yeah, I read the label on my glass of pickles this morning, and I was rinsing it out, take it out to recycle, because I recycle. Gotta recycle. So anyways, I smell the bread. I love that freshness of bread toasting. I just wanted a little color to it. I need the whole experience here. And pretty soon I think we're gonna open this up. So let me grab my sandwich. I like cheese. I went to the deli. Look at that, perfect time. I went to the deli yesterday and had them slice it a little thinner, because that way it really melts. And it's been out a little bit, so it's kind of at room temperature. Back this thing. And you can see it's like really melting fast. Just cover up all the holes. That's what we gotta do with Swiss cheese. Make a mess. So basically, I got some cheese on here, right? I'm gonna take. I literally gonna throw it. I got a 350 oven. I just want to get that cheese going. Tuna fish out of the fridge. It's just like I said, it's just leftover. Stir it up a little bit. I like a lot of veggies in my tuna fish. Like I said, I put a lot of lemon juice in. I think it really helps. Good flavor. Alright. Honestly, I don't think this will take much more. A watch pot never boils. Alright. I just want to get the heat going through the bread. I could have preheated the pan, but then I probably reached in and burned my hand, so don't preheat it. Don't do that. So crazy, I spent 5 hours yesterday loading the U-Haul for my daughter to move. I'm sore this morning, so I'm a little sagging. Alright, let's see. I think, perfect. Got a nice glisten on the cheese. Doesn't get much easier than this. Like I said, this is just a little brunch snack thing going on. And, you know, tuna fish is it's not just like something you hate and it's like for school lunch or something. You know, you can make a dinner out of it. You don't even have to put it on bread. You can just leave, like, give yourself some Triscuits or something. Oh yeah. So I got lots of cheese. I got lots of tuna fish. Listen to the bread, nice and crusty. And I love cheese, but the other thing is the cheese keeps the bread from getting really good. Getting all soft and yucky. This is something really easy. Don't be afraid to try it. Get nice toasted bread here. The toasting really brings out the flavor, especially if it's like a rye with caraway seeds that really kind of roast the caraway. Something great, easy, fun. I get brunch and then I get to go shopping. Yay! So have a great day. Remember, I want you to subscribe and comment. Thank you.